Hello everyone, welcome to Toysmatic. Today I came up with another toy review video. So let's open it and see what's inside. So this is what the packaging looks like. This is a remote control car toy, you can see. So this is what it looks like. This is the remote, and this is a USB cable. I guess this is to charge the car. We'll see how does it work. So this is the one. So this remote control have this two navigation button here, left and right. If you want to navigate forward, this one, backward, this one, side was this two. Okay, back side you can see this. This is the place for battery. So for operating the car we need two AA size battery. So this is what it looks like. So to charge the car, this is the cable, USB cable. So it is long enough, you can charge it. So at the back side of the car you can see this is the on and off button. This is the place for charging. You can just put it, plug it this way. Okay. The back side is well secured. This is the rechargeable, here is the chargeable battery. So it is well secured with a screw. So the tires are wheels are soft. It have a classy look, you can see. The plastic also quite good. It is of blue and inside it is white color. So this is what it looks. So let's on it and see how does it work. If we on, so different kind of lights, you can see it's blinking. So the lights are, it's really look fancy, and it will be a very attractive gift for the kids. Kids these days loves to play with RC car, so I feel like this will be the best option for them. So this is what. So let's put the battery and see how does it work. I have already put the battery. Let's see. So you can see that this comes forward and backwards. So let's move the sidewise. You can see the tires are moving, and here also they are moving. So let's show you how does the car run. So this way it run. So I'll bring it backward, then sidewise. You can sidewise also, you can turn it. So this is how the car runs and work. It is a very good toy for kids. They will love it. The car have a very classy look. So the only drawback is that you have to hold the remote just in front or straight to the car. If you the car is far away, it won't work. So you should be within the range of the car. So thank you for watching my video. Please keep supporting me. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share.